How to fix Shein suspended account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Shein suspended account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, make sure that you are on your fucking hell. So first thing that we'll do is open up our web browser. Any web browser should be fine, just open it up. Then search for Shein support. After you search for Shein support, you should see different websites. All will be the same, it does not matter where we go. So tap on one that says customer service or customer support. After you tap on that, it should take you to this website. So right here you might have to log in. So before that, you will see an option that says customer service. Tap on that. If you don't see it here, scroll down all the way below and you'll find customer service there. Tap on it and now you'll need to log in into your account. So tap on continue with Google or type in your email and password and then continue. After you've done that, you can then click on submit a ticket option. You should be on this chat box. Tap on submit a ticket and now you can select the type of question. So right here you can see different accounts, or different options. What you can do is you can simply select account information type or update. Then you'll need to enter your name, enter your email address. So enter your email address. I'm just writing it at random here. So this is my email address. And after you've typed in your email address, describe your question here. So about the question, you'll need to describe why your account was suspended. So simply explain why your account was suspended and that it's not true, whatever the reason is, and also why you want it back. Just type in you want it back, and yeah, these are just the reasons. This is not what you should be writing in here, but what you will need to type in that your account was suspended, why it was suspended, and why that's not the case. So if you have violated or terms and condition, say that it's not true, or if it's not true, just type in not true. And doing that, you can just upload a file here, then tap on done and tap on submit. Doing that, you will have reported to Shein's customer service, which they will reach back to you using your email. So doing that, you should fix your suspended account issue. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more. And